Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to take your wearable tech game to the next level with the Oura Ring 5 sizing kit? This genius little kit is a total game changer, and I'm about to tell you why. The Oura Ring 5 sizing kit is a must-have before you buy the actual ring, because let's face it, sizing is everything when it comes to comfort and accuracy. You want your ring to fit securely and comfortably at the base of your finger, without rotating as you go about your day. The kit is super comfy to wear, and it's available in sizes 6 to 13, so you can find the perfect fit. One of the best things about this kit is that it allows you to choose a finger to wear your Oura Ring 5 on, and it works on all fingers, on either hand. For optimal accuracy, it's recommended to wear it on your index, middle, or ring finger, and to size the exact finger you plan to wear it on. I love that you can wear the sizer for at least 24 hours to confirm your best fit. It's like a test drive for your ring. This product is incredibly well reviewed, with thousands of customers swearing by its accuracy and comfort. The benefits are clear. A properly fitting Oura Ring 5 will result in the highest data accuracy, comfort, and overall experience. I've found that it's so much better than other wearable tech devices on the market, because it's specifically designed to work with your body, not against it. The feel of the ring on your finger is smooth and sleek, and the sound of the notifications is subtle but clear. In real life, this means you can wear your Oura Ring 5 while working out, sleeping, or just running errands, and it will keep track of your progress with ease. The result is a more accurate picture of your health and wellness, and a more comfortable wearing experience. So, if this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.